Jacob, it's now.
What's it doing?
It wants to eat you. Look, it was going to peck you. I don't even know what it thinks it's eating. There's nothing there.
It's eating them poos.
There's nothing there though.
Look, it's big feet.
Has it got big feet, is it?
Did they put their heads into the soil?
Oh, it does have big feet.
Look! Getting bigger. How about you eat your fingers? How about you eat your fingers?
Alright, come on, we'll go catch up with Caleb.